Hi friends, Happy Out Home here with another Christmas video for 2024. I am so happy to be here sharing this video with you and to show you what I did with my latest tree. I love it so much. This tree is absolutely beautiful. It may be in my top tier of all the trees that I've done. Please check out the video I did of Christmas in July with all kinds of Christmas themes. But this one, I've never done a theme like this and I am in love with it. It's so pretty. It's beautiful. I am going to label it Icy Blue Christmas Tree. You know how I give all of my Christmas tree names, so we can reference them as, you and I talk. This is an icy blue Christmas and it is stunning. I hope that you like it. I'm going to go through, I'm going to show you all of the details, hopefully link as much as I can possible to show you how I did it, how I put it together, and to show you also what I did with my ribbon picks. You have seen these picks before. I'm going to call them a Happy Out Home exclusive with the flowers and the bows. So pretty. The colors are so pretty. I love it. I hope you love it too. Please give the video a thumbs up. Chime in, say hi. I will respond to all of the messages I receive. I love hearing from you. Okay, without further ado, let's talk about this icy blue Christmas tree. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, so here is my icy blue Christmas tree. And I do apologize for the yellow tint. It's an iPhone issue. There is no yellow at all in the tree. It's coming out yellow in the video. The tree is white and bright and absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna see if I can try to get rid of the yellow a little bit, but the tree does not look yellow at all. So I started by adding two strands of this garland. It's a thick, icy garland, and I just put it diagonally across the tree, one this way, and then, where's the other one? And then one down through here. So that's what I started with. So I had a flocked tree, and I started with 2 pieces of garland. So Bentley wants to pop on and say hi, and I want to show you what the icy garland that I put on the tree looks like. Second, I added my little ribbon picks. I have this really pretty silver 4-inch ribbon, and I made the picks. I have many videos showing you how I did that. And I have a white frosted magnolia, and it is the background. I have these other white glittery, no, sorry, they're not glittery, they're just icy, white icy picks, and I put them against the background. You all know how I love layering. So that is what the picks look like. Here is another pick. I have several of them all over the tree. And so the next step after I added the picks was to add this really pretty blue ribbon. The ribbon is, I think, 2.5 inches wide. It's a light blue velvet ribbon. Well, kind of, I guess, medium blue, maybe like a little bit of a dusty blue. And I have several pieces. I cut them. I used 2 rolls, and I have them going down the side. And it's very faint, but it's enough just to give the tree that really pretty pop of blue on the ribbon. Next, I added all of these additional picks. These are frosted branches, again, icy branches. These are just snow-covered branches. So those are 2 picks I have. I mentioned these white icicle picks, these silver glittery picks. Let's see, that's 4. Here is another one. This is a glittery white flat leaf. So 5. Let's see if I had any more. Oh, and then I added these. These are really cute. These have just a little bit of crystal. They're probably hard to see. It's just a pick that looks like that. I tucked them in here. And you know what? Here's a little tip. You know where I got those? I got those in the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. So, you know, when you are picking flowers and stuff, make sure to go check out the wedding section. And I got these too. These are just little cascading acrylic crystals. So I got those in, again, the wedding section. So don't forget to, when you are there, check out that section. Let me see if there are any other. I think those are it, like 7 different types of picks. Then I added my ornaments. New ornaments this year. I started with a base set of maybe 20 ornaments with a little bit of blue, and I mostly hand-picked my ornaments this year. You know, I love ornament bundles, you know, where they're all matched for you. But this year I went and I just picked my own. These are beautiful. Look at the detail on these blue ornaments. So pretty. Cute little doves. Little silver frosted ornaments. Silver glitter ornaments. Lots of silver with glitter and the icy type of texture. See these? All of these. There are clear ones, there are silver ones, there are white ones, there are frosted ones, there are blue ones. These are just these little snowballs. You've heard me talk about that before, just putting like little snowballs sitting on top of the branches. They're kind of prickly, so you don't need to attach them. They can just sit on top of the branch. They look so pretty. In addition, I added these little Arctic ornaments. I have a little polar bear, little fox, just, you know, to bring in more of the white with a little bit of fur. They're so cute. I love all of these ornaments. Looks so pretty. I wish you could all just see it in person. It is absolutely beautiful. These I had from previous years. I used on white flock trees. You've probably seen these. These are just I used as filler. Most of them are glass ornaments. I would say 90% of the ornaments that are on the tree are glass. Glass are my favorite. And I did collect them, you know, just from different places, you know, around the area. Great place to look is Home Goods. You know, you can get really nice ornaments at Home Goods for a great price. And a lot of them are glass ornaments. So I did some hand picking there. But these are non-breakable. Like I said, I had these from previous years, but these are all glass. These pretty little butterflies. Isn't this little butterfly? It's a clip. I think I got that from Home Goods. These blue ones. There's another little owl. And the topper. Yep, my burst topper. I know some of you love it, some of you hate the burst topper. I actually happen to love it. Put some more of the crystal branches up there, the white magnolia with the blue ribbon. Oh, it's just so pretty. I wish you could see it in person. It is just stunning, and I'm so happy with the way that it turned out. So what do you all think? I hope you like it. Oh, yes, and the very last thing, which gives it a really, really beautiful look, I have tons of glass icicles hanging down. I almost forgot to mention those. Lots of different shapes and sizes, and they look absolutely stunning, just the glass ornaments. I'm not a huge fan of the acrylic ones. I know they're a lot easier to find, and the glass ones are a lot harder to find, but I just love the look of glass. It looks so pretty. So what do you all think? I'm going to set this a little bit to video. Please drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Last thing I wanted to mention, the inspiration for this was the room that I have. And I'm gonna do a video, a whole home tour, show you some stuff in the dining room and everything in another video when I have everything finished. But that was my inspiration for this room, that it does have hints of blue in it. So that's where my inspiration came from.